This week, in a special D-Day 80 edition of the 60-second update, we'll be focusing on those who made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom. D-Day by Anthony Roe. Some they cried as others died, to float upon the waves.
As the foam turned red with the blood of the dead, to rest on the beach of Normandy.
At gold and sword they prayed to the Lord, to guide and keep them free.
With shot and shell, their living hell, on the beach of Normandy.
When travelled far to Omaha, brothers to fight as one. Utah then and Juneau gave blood as others won, on the beach of Normandy.
From ship to shore did thunder roar, as the sky turned black as night.
Where heroes made were many, as lost were mothers' sons, on the beach of Normandy.
Now years have passed, remembered those who gave that day, and with them still the memories of those who live today, as tears are shed on the beach of Normandy.
To the thousands of Allied soldiers who fought for our freedom, we remember their sacrifice. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.